Okay, now that we know what is affiliate marketing and what is email marketing, I'm going to explain to you what is the sales funnel. So this is where you are going to make money, where you're going to boost your business. A sales funnel is the visual representation of the customer journey, depicting the sales process from awareness to action. So it's all the process when the customer comes to your page or to your post, and starting from that point, we continue until it's going to take action. And you need to exploit this process to make as much money as possible, to promote as much as possible exactly in this moment. How the sales funnel works. There are 4 basic steps that every company is following when depicting a sales funnel. The first step is the awareness. At this stage, basically, we have the largest amount of customer prospects. It's at this stage in which customers have determined a problem and began searching for a solution and become aware of an organization via content marketing, an email campaign, social media marketing, or other avenues. The second step is the interest. At this stage, the number of customer prospects begins to decrease, but the possibility of a sales conversion increases. This is generally when the customer will engage with the organization, request more information, and ask questions. The third step is the decision. Once the customer has become aware of the organization and reached out and sought answers to questions, it's time for the decision. This stage of the process may include sales offers and further research into the different options presented by the organization. And finally, we have the action. All the previously mentioned stages funnel down into the final step, the action. At this point, the customer has decided to purchase the product. So basically, as we saw before, when we are talking about email marketing, I already depicted a part of the sales funnel where the user is in front of a page and decided to opt in for a free product or to purchase a product, and this information will go into the autoresponder. In this moment, after the thank you page for a free product, for example, and after his email address is into your autoresponder, you start promoting and you increase the steps into your sales funnel to make new sales. This is where it's going to be complicated. This is where you need to craft. This is the sales funnel. If you want to know more about the strategies for sales funnel and to have different options of sales funnels, you should subscribe to my course, The Secrets to Start and Skyrocket an Online Business.